Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I thought I'd take a little time aside from what I normally do and do a little video giving people a bit of help on gift ideas for a mechanic. Now obviously I know what I like and I know some quite nifty things that, you know, a mechanic wouldn't be without. So yeah, I thought I'd do this little video just to help people, and yeah, let's go take a look.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then, so everything I show you in this video I will list down in the descriptions with links to obviously where you can buy. Now I do make a small commission, but everything I make on this channel goes back into this channel to obviously make my content better for you. So just wanted to get that out there before we start. So basically I thought I'd start with the simple stuff. So obviously as mechanics, a lot of people don't realize we do actually carry quite a few things with us on a day-to-day basis. Now even though some of these things you'll probably find your mechanic, I don't know, partner, friend, whatever, has probably already got, you always lose these. So trust me, you can never have too many. So the first thing I wanted to show you is a pocket screwdriver. It sounds stupid, but I worship this thing. I get lost if I don't have this on me. Now this is actually a Stihl one that I stole out of a Stihl chainsaw kit, but you can buy just any little pocket screwdriver. Flathead it's got to be. It's good for picking off O-rings and all bits and bobs, and yeah, it's just fantastic. So that is the first thing I wouldn't be without, and if I had 10 of them I would still be a happy man. So that's the one. Again, sticking with the pocket stuff, this by here is a windscreen washer jet cleaner and a liner. Again, a little pen type thing. It fits in your pocket lovely. 9 out of 10 times this is in my pocket because, you know, you wouldn't believe how often you want to stab hole in something or do something, and it's brilliant. So that's the second thing I wanted to show you. Now the other two things I haven't got with me, but one is an extendable magnet. Now they are really handy. You drop a bolt or a socket, you can just fish it out with one of them. I'll put a picture here to show you. And the second thing which is really handy is a mirror. So a little extendable mirror, not too big, nice little one to get into awkward places, and you just can't beat it. So them things I pretty much carry with me all the time in work, and you wouldn't believe how often I smash my mirror and how often I snap my magnet off or lose my pocket screwdriver, or sometimes leave them in your overalls and send them away for clean and then they're gone. So it happens all the time. I buy them all the time, so literally it's one of them things where I'd be happy to have more. So anyway, so that's the first one. Now the next thing I wanted to go on to, cool little thing. I was doing a bit of research before I did this video and I liked it that much I actually bought myself one, so that kind of says it all. This by here is a screwdriver magnetizer. Now the funny thing about this is all it does is, so you have a screwdriver and it's not magnetic, so you literally put it in and it actually magnetizes. So if you've got a screw, you can just put a screw on the end of it and you can screw it in, and you can do it one-handed. It's a cool little thing. I thought it was funky. Anyone really who does DIY would love this. It's a lovely little stocking filler, and yeah, I bought myself one. I liked it that much, so something I thought I'd show you in this video. Yeah, so that's pretty much the little stuff, the little stocking stuff or little stuff that we use day to day that, you know, a lot of people probably wouldn't know about. So the second thing I wanted to go on to was kind of electrical stuff. Now, little nifty things. So the first one is a fuse tester. Again, I use this every day and it's so little you wouldn't believe how many times I've lost it. It's a little fuse. I'll put a picture up so you can see a bit better what it looks like. Again, all the links are down in the description. So this little thing here, it's a little fuse puller, and you can actually test fuses, and it a little LED light there that lights up to tell you if it's blown or not. So fantastic little thing. Again, I didn't know about this till not that long ago, and now I absolutely love it. So yeah, nifty little thing. The other thing I got here is a little circuit tester, well, voltage tester. So it's a weird, you have test lights that mechanics use all the time, but this thing by here is really nifty because it doesn't have a lead, where a circuit tester you have to plug it onto earth and you have this cable, but this thing actually earths through your body. So as long as you're touching the vehicle with your hand, you can check for electrical power. And when I saw this thing, I just thought it was the coolest thing ever. So again, something that you'll probably find the person you're buying for doesn't have. Again, it's getting a bit more up there in price, but you know, it depends what kind of a present you're looking for. So I thought I'd show you that. It's just basically a cordless circuit tester or voltage tester. Cool thing. So again, all links down in the description, help you guys out. Now I thought I'd get on to the bigger things. Now when it comes to bigger tools, every mechanic has got his own idea on what tools he likes. So, and most of us, you know, I buy Snap-on, I buy Mac, I do buy some Sieg and stuff, but it's best to stay away from buying tools for a mechanic. So the one thing that I can safely say every mechanic out there would be happy to receive is a torch, because I'm telling you now, we lose them, we drive over them, we put them under ramps and drop ramps on them. I've done that. Literally, I smash torches probably once every 3 months, and I'm not joking. And these torches are like, sometimes they can go anything from 20 to £100, and you can just break it like that. So torches, even if he's got 5 torches in his toolbox or her toolbox, I can guarantee you they will not be disappointed if you buy a decent torch. Now I've got a couple of examples, I'm going to put links down. So my main torch that I use day in day out is a scan grip. These things are just absolutely bulletproof. Again, I have driven over them with a HGV and it still survived, although it didn't look very well, so you know, I did replace it. But to be honest, more than likely you're going to lose this than you're going to break it, because these things are just bulletproof. I actually stuck this to the underside of a truck, and I'm from South Wales, and the actual truck drove to North Wales and back, and the torch was still there when it came back. And actually, while we're on that, I've done that like 3 times. It's been all around the country, this torch has. It's amazing. So these things, they are quite pricey. Again, I'll put links down in there, but worth every penny, and I tell you what, I wouldn't be without it. Now, one of the funkiest little torches I've ever seen, and probably one of the cheapest I've ever bought, is this set here. So this is a Sealy combination. So basically it's got interchangeable heads. So what you've actually got is a funky little box that opens up, and it's all laid out in there real nice. I tell you what, as a gift, I think this is probably my #1 gift for somebody, because I guarantee you, whether they're DIY, whether they're a mechanic, no matter what, you can never have too many torches. And this set is just so impressive, and I gotta be honest, the price tag on it really shocked me. I think it's just over 20, or between 20 and 30 quid, something like that. Don't quote me on that. I'll put it all down in the description. So yeah, it comes with a charger, it comes with 2 heads. So it comes with a standard torch head, and it comes with your inspection lamp, which is what us mechanics use. And then also you've got the torch, which is obviously it clicks on, the heads click on. Now this torch is just fantastic. I gotta be honest, it's one of my favorite torches, and the truth is I don't use it a lot because I like it so much. I keep it as a spare, and they even do a flexible head that you can attach to it. Again, I've bought it, I've never even opened the packet because I like it that much. But yeah, I can assure you, if you're looking for a gift that someone will not be disappointed in, if they're a mechanic, this is the present. This is amazing. So this is probably my #1. And yeah, so like I said, there is other things. I tend to stick away from tools, if I'm honest, because tools can get quite they can get a little bit personal on what they want. The last thing I wanted to mention, so pretty much that's everything tool related. The last thing I wanted to mention, every mechanic out there should own this book. Now I know it's going to be hard to find out if they own this book, but this is the Hilliers Fundamentals of Motor Vehicle Technology. Now this book is breathed down every person's throat when they go to college in the UK to be a mechanic, and it's literally everything you need to know about anything automotive, motor vehicle, anything, you know, mechanical, electrical. It is brilliant, and it even shows you some things that, you know, you'd not actually see on a day-to-day vehicle, but this has got it in it. Every little design and different idea that's been brought up and put to vehicles, but even some things that's not actually come out. So this is the 5th edition. Now there is a 6th edition. I will tag both of them because there is a huge difference in price, but yeah, I think this is a fantastic book. I don't read. I literally don't read. I well, I blame it on my dyslexia, but I've got no attention. I've read this book twice. I love it. Absolutely love this book. So, and I'll be honest with you, I wouldn't be without it. Even though I don't read it, it's on my shelf and I keep it there and I have to own it. So, if they haven't got this book, definitely one for them. Yeah, even if they're not a full-time mechanic and they're just like potching with cars and they have a genuine interest, it is a fantastic book, and it has so much. I think I got paper post-its that I've put in there for different things that I've actually broke off in there. There you go. I've actually posted a page. So yeah, yeah, definitely an interesting book. Well worth a read if you're a mechanic. And yeah, I hope this helps, guys. You know, I kind of enjoy doing videos like this, kind of, you know, trying to help people out. And yeah, hopefully I'm your best kept secret this year. And like I said before, you know, look down in the description is all the information. Please comment on this video. You know, how it works with YouTube is all the likes and comments I get helps boost my video, and my video gets to more people, and more people get to see it, and hopefully I'll help more people. So, and you know, let me know if you buy any of these things for your partner or friend or whatever, and they really like them and enjoy them. Comment and let me know. You know, I love hearing feedback off everyone who watches my videos. You know, good or bad, I don't care. I want to hear it. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I hope this really helps. And yeah, maybe I'll see you next year. So thanks for watching.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.